Alright, today we're gonna go and do a car on the road. We're gonna go to a friend's house to replace his GT500 Pulley. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're taking the Evo. Put my seatbelt on. Because if not, we get in trouble. Yeah, I got no airbag. Let's get it. Let's see what this GT500 has to offer. See if it makes a difference. And maybe we can get the guy to take us for a ride. Let's get it. Alright, so we got to my boy's house. He's got that GT500. We're prepping it up right now. And we're gonna be installing that pulley, so stay tuned. Alright, in order to get this pulley out, we have to remove the belt. And we have the belt tensioner right there, you can see it. So let's take that belt off and get this pulley out. Let's get it. Alright, so far the pulley goes. Flush. Alright, with this reservoir removed, I removed those two bolts holding it down. I moved it to the side and I was able to get the tool on there and the belt off. So that belt is pretty much off of there. So now let's get the tool and install or remove the old pulley and install the new pulley. Let's get it. Alright, with that belt completely off to the side, we got our belt and pulley kit here. This is our belt remover kit. So what we do, we just put this around the pulley to not damage or anything, just like that. And then we put the other piece, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna fast forward it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like ready, and then I'm gonna just fast forward it. So let's get it. Alright, so this is how you set up the tool, and we have a 1 1/8 that fits on here. So now we're gonna turn that and get this thing out. Let's get it. Alright, so we got the pulley out. This thing makes it so much easy than anything else I've ever seen for this type of vehicle. And there you have it. Now we're just going to brace this up, put the new pulley in, and use the tool a different way to put it in. So let's get it. All right, you can see the difference here between both pulleys. This pulley is smaller. This one can probably eat that one. So now let's put this one in and make sure this thing rips. Let's get it. All right, so the pulley's installed, and don't keep tightening. Once you feel it start tightening, just stop. And then that's for the feeling. And then we're gonna put there's another pulley that came with it. We're gonna install it as well. So let's get it. All right, so we put the pulley on, and then we put an idler pulley right down below these two hoses that you see here. It's a 13 mil. Comes right off, slide it out, slide it back in. That's actually bigger than the stock one to compensate for the size that you're changing the other pulley. So with that being said, let's start the car up and hear this thing roar. All right, we're gonna start the car and see how the Supercharger sounds. Should have got a before clip, but whatever. All right, so boost gauge just goes crazy? Where's the boost gauge?
Right there.
Huh. Oh yeah. Let me get one more rev. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like it. And the sun came out. There's no. All right. So you guys heard the beast, and we're gonna get some feedback from this guy later on, cause today he's working, so we don't wanna get him off work. Let's get it. All right. So we're gonna go for a ride since he has to take lunch break. Let me move my piece of crap out the way. All right, let's go. Rip the Mustang. Let's get in the car, see what's going on. Alright. I like the shifter, matches everything inside. This yeah, this road sucks. Rowdy. Hell yeah. So it passed the test. The pulley didn't fall out. We good.